There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. The bench I was working on is now somewhat complete. I'm going to pull a Vanna White here and use my hand here, except a little less boobs and more belly on this Vanna White. But yeah, I put my grinders over there because, well, why in the hell not, right? They're out of the way, they're not in the middle of the floor on a pedestal stand or on a bench, hence the word bench grinder. Even though if they were, I mean, maybe they're pedestal grinders too, but pff, oh well, who cares? Semantics. I made a little shelf here. I'll maybe get a close-up little video. I put all my small little, what do you call it? Scrap metal, little pieces that I find. This one I'm gonna make another one a little longer over here, so I can put longer pieces. And I gotta make one to stand up stuff, but I still don't have a. If I go on this side, I still don't have a piece of wood to cover that. I gotta cut it. I'm thinking I'm using whatever I got. There might be a space this big in the back missing, but oh well. I'll put a steel plate in. But yeah, I cleaned it out back here before I couldn't even walk here. I gotta put this pedestal thing somewhere, this chunk of metal somewhere, and pretty much it's cleaning. Trying to clean this area out. I mean, I have a box on wheels for all the big tall rods, like ones that are about maybe as tall as me, but I don't want that box like this big. I want it smaller and more towards the wall. So I'm probably gonna make a new one, or I'm gonna put sheet metal on it. But I gotta make it so I get back in there. So yeah, this is pretty much the end of my, what do you call it, shelf build video. There's not much else to it really, and that's it really. I hope you enjoyed watching whatever I recorded, because at this point I don't remember how many pieces. It took me quite a few recordings, but yeah, enjoy.